Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vikram Shah, and I am a developer at Spikra. And in this webinar, I will take you through how to create a IT asset tracker system, which is totally automatic and you can manage it better than Excel. So we'll wait for 2 more minutes, then we'll start the webinar. Let's wait for some other people to join also. So let's start the webinar. So first of all, we will try to understand what is the problem that we are trying to solve. So I think most of you all are already using a IT asset tracker in your company, but most of you are using the IT asset tracker inside Excel. And everybody is Excel file format is different. Suppose you hand over this job to another one person, then you have to give the total KT on how to save and how to store each and every details. And then also some people may do some mistake that will totally mess up your total system. So we all understand that if we try to track out all the IT asset like laptop, monitor, all the mouse, all the printers and everything into Excel file, then it's a messy job. So to solve the problem, so what we did is we developed one app inside Zoho Creator, which is called IT Asset Tracker. Here we can track, we can monitor, we can allocate, we can approve, we can do everything from one website, one app only. So well, let's try to go through the agenda. So first of all, we'll go through the problem. Then what is Zoho Creator actually? Then we'll show you the live app demo. Then I'll tell you what else you can do with the app if we do any more further modification. Then we'll do the Q&A and then we'll wrap up. So let's go through the problem. I already told you that spreadsheet are messy, so there is no version control. There could be some override. You cannot audit also, and there is no visibility on who knows who has which laptop, and some asset may go missing due to that reason also. And warranty tracking is also it is possible, but it is a messy job because Excel cannot give you any reminder that this product warranty is getting expired. You can do that in our app. So there is no manual coordination also. So IT team IT team may use many different platforms to track each and every asset and everything, and managing them all of them inside an Excel is a tedious. So we'll understand what is Zoho Creator. So Zoho Creator is a low-code platform which is developed by Zoho. So it is not totally a no-code platform. You have to still write the code to perform your function and execute your function, but it gives you enough flexibility and also take away all the manual, boring, repetitive job in the sense you don't need to create any form or field from manually. There is already a some field section from which you can drag and drop, and you can create the app within minutes. And you don't need to recreate the wheel from scratch. And yet it gives you the flexibility to write your own function, write your own workflow to modify your app according to your business needs. So it's a mix of both worlds. It allows you to create the app faster, removing the boilerplate stuff, and it also allow you to do the customization which is necessary and which is needed for your business, right? So inside Zoho Creator, there are actually four important steps and four important parts. So the first one is from. From allow you to allow you to create forms. Basically, you can think you can think of any Google form or Zoho form. You can just give a steroid, it will become a Zoho Creator form. Then report. Report is basically after you collect your data from the form, what you usually do in Zoho form is you push that data into one Zoho sheet, or in case of Google Form, you send the data to a Google sheet. In report is also basically similar, but it allow you to do more thing with that data also. So once you collect all of your data into form, then form can pass those data into report, which can store the data, as well as it can create you some certain view summary summary kind of report kind of thing. So then the next thing is workflow. Workflow is very important. Workflow is the module which allow you to do your customization. Suppose you want to do an auto email, you want to write one approval function, you want to update a field on certain trigger. Suppose once your any of your team wants to replace their laptop, or they want a mouse, then they can fill a form, and that once they fill the form, it automatically give a reminder or a mail to respective approver, who can give approval that he or she may can he or she can take the mouse or whatever item they want. And there is the last thing is portal. Portal is basically suppose you have five team. You have a team of five who is organizing and who is maintaining the Zoho Creator app. But outside of the five people, also there are certain people who may not use the app regularly, but they use the app time to time. So for them, you don't need to buy the license. They can be a portal user, uh, and portal user can access the some part of the app from anywhere, and you can publish that, and portal user can log into the portal, and portal user can use that part. It is portal. So let's try to understand what we built in IT Asset Tracker. So in IT Asset Tracker, we have one asset from, and asset from include all the 17 fields, including QR code, which is a functional, which is not totally functional because it is a live demo, because of the demo app. Then we have five live views can be there, and for automation in the sense there is a trigger whenever somebody entered their requirement details, the approver got a mail and mail notification that one submission is there. You can check that submission and you can approve that if you want. Then there is portal. Portal is basically a web view of the form. Through the portal, your organization member who want to submit any request or any of the product, they can submit that. Then there is go live in the sense you can readily use that this app. Let's go to the live demo. I hope my screen is visible. So let's go through the live demo. So this is the dashboard which I was talking about previously. This dashboard can give you all the necessary details at a glance, and you can. It's a really handy thing. You can look into the matter very quickly, and you can check whatever is there. So as you can see, there is zero approved pending. So count of rejected is 4, count of pending is 1, and total asset request is 5. That means 5 people requested any of the asset, and out of the 5, 4 got rejected, 1 still in the pending, and 0 got approved. Then you can go through the category wise also. So you can see the category. You can see the department wise request also. and you can take a look at the all the asset requests so far. So this is a very handy thing. Then we'll go to the from first, asset request from. So asset request from is nothing but a form which will be published in portal, which your team member, your organization member can use to request the asset. So they can enter their requester name. They can let's take the example for Jack. Jack wants a laptop. Justification: my old laptop is slow. Requirement by day, I want this by the next one. Approval status, by default it is other. By default it is pending. And then approved by, who will be approving the details. You can add that, but it's recommended that whenever you are doing in the live app, the approved by get automatically populated based on the asset type. So you can do that level of customization as well. For now, I'm adding Bikram and asset ID. This is the asset ID. We'll submit this. Now, if you go to the all asset request, you can find that there is a Jack who requested laptop because of this is the justification. Then required by date. Then who will approve this and the asset ID. That's it. Then we'll go to the asset request port. So here you can see who requested for which uh, thing. You can see there is Jack who requested a laptop. There is network device is free and monitor he requested this. Desktop two people requested server one other one. So you can quickly take a look at this and you can buy uh, according to the availability. Let's go to the asset registry. So here this is the form where let's suppose you are buying 10 items, and once you are buying 10 items, you need to update that item here so that you can keep track of all of your accessories and all of your items, IT asset items. You can add that this is a 20 sorry 17 field, and you need to really add all the details there. And for sake of time, saving the time, we will not add anything here. We'll just take a look at any other item which I added previously. Let's go to the edit. So as you can see, there is asset ID, there is smartphone, category other, brand name Apple, iPhone 14. This is the serial number, this is the purchase date, this is the warranty, and this is important because once any asset is on the brink of warranty expired, then your asset manager will get a notification based on the warranty date. Then asset value, who is the status of the asset, is it assigned to somebody else, somebody or not? Then you can see the department also, from which department they are from, then their location, then their QR code and the node. Later on, you can create QR code or barcode also. So as of now, I only created a single line field. You can later on add your QR code of the product also. There you can upload the QR code which is manually generated, and you can store it here. Then the note, then the added by, who added this, and then last update. I hope this part is clear. Then we'll go through the category wise. So there is zero laptop, there is one network device, one monitor, one cell, one desktop, and one other, which is smartphone, which we take a look at. So I hope this is clear. And another thing, so this asset request will get published in a portal, because you don't want all of your team member to be a app user, because that will increase your total cost, total Zoho Creator cost. Those guys who will be managing the asset, those guys needs to be here in the app, and the other guys who will request the asset and who will get the asset, they don't need to be here. They can be a portal user, and through the portal they can request the asset and they can get the asset. And this is the dashboard which we already covered. So let's try to understand what are the things and what is there. So there is a asset ID in the asset registry form. There is asset name. We already saw that. There is category drop down. You can add many categories as well. So as this is totally customizable, we can totally redesign and repurpose a build for your specific use case. Suppose you want to add in another two, three field which is required for your business. So you can add that. You want to add many categories, we can add that categories. There is no issue on that. And warranty date, status, you can by default, there is an option that you can by default select the status. Select the status in the sense we have four status, right? Approved, rejected, pending, and other. We can remove the other, and by design we can select that whenever a asset is getting requested, by design it will be a pending. We can do that sort of thing as well. Then assign to, this can be auto populated, and department, you can add your department, and QR code auto generated. As of now, if you try to auto generate the code, then we have to write the custom function which will auto generate the QR code, but it's recommend to do the QR code in a barcode section, and you can add that barcode, add that level barcode, and you can upload that barcode here. That will be efficient. Then we already covered the report, all the asset status, asset by department, warranty expired, my assignment, and everything. And workflow, as of now, we have added four workflow. So whenever on assign is the first thing, whenever a assigned person email send, whenever somebody add any request, the assigned person in the sense who will allocate that product or asset to some other person. This person will get a email notification, then uh, daily check in the sense a custom function is there which will automatically go through your all expiry date, and if the expiry date is within 30 days, it will give a notification in a mail. If you want, it can send a message as well. So that will really help you to manage your inventory. And under repair, under repair in the sense, the IT admin will get, suppose any of your asset under get broken or something like that, it goes under repair, then your IT admin will get notified. And but for that case, you have to really fill that from that this is under repair. And on create, the asset ID will automatically get populated. So we went through the dashboard portal demo. So portal is basically the uh, dashboard basically. Yeah. So what else you can add here? So that is important because that can help you to understand what you can do for your business, and whatever the requirement is. I think most of them will get covered here. So as this is a demo app, we just quickly build that app, and we are just showing that app. So you can add a QR code scanning feature, which is already available here. You just need to avail that using the custom function. Then request and approval flow. You can add a request and approval. Suppose one of your junior engineer submit one request, their manager needs to approve it. Then only the IT asset manager will approve that. You can that level of approval flow as well. Then Zoho Analytics dashboard, whatever data you are capturing here in the report, you can pass that data to Zoho Analytics and you can create many detailed analytics report based on your department as well. And Zoho Dex integration, any repair ticket or anything will get pulled from Zoho Dex and it will get connected with the particular asset ID. And mobile app, we can just there is a function to convert this app into iOS and Android app. You can quickly create that app through the API version, and you can deploy that APK into App Store or Apple iPhone Play Store. Then why Zoho Creator plus Spikra? Because let's try to go through Zoho Creator. You can build it rapidly and quickly. You can get the Zoho ecosystem support, and you can already there is already 50 plus application. You can connect with all the 50 plus application in a second. That is the Zoho ecosystem benefits, and it's enterprise ready because Zoho already has a built-in ISO function and all the required certification, so that you don't need to worry about the data security and safety about it. And then let's understand why Spikra. Spikra has expertise with working on Zoho Creator for more than 7 years. So we know how to do what. So we can really help you to create the app which is for your requirement, and we can customize this app as well. So that's why you should connect with Spikra to get your app built. Let's go through Q&A. So I hope many of you had some question. So let's wait. Let's get the question. Okay, we got the first question. So you have another application which you want to build. Can you connect us? Yeah, sure. We have our email ID listed here. So sales@spectre.com. You can directly drop a mail and you can share your requirement. We'll take a look at it and we can build it for sure. And if you want to share your requirement over the chat, you can share that also. I can quickly give you some direction as well. Okay, you want to create a tracking system for your shipping business. Okay, we can do that. We already built that system for one of our clients. So they are into different business, but basically that was also a tracking system. Based on your business requirement, we can definitely build that. There is no issue on that. Okay, any other question? Okay, what is the benefit of using a Zoho Creator? There are already other no-code, low-code platform out there. So the first thing is you will get is the ecosystem benefit. So Zoho has very diverse and very enlarged ecosystem. There is, I already mentioned that there is 50 plus application. So once you started using Zoho, there is no way back. You can directly connect your Zoho Creator with your analytics. Suppose you have any application, you are already using Zoho CRM, then the cross platform connect is very rich. So that is why you should use Zoho Creator. And based on the specific application, there is already a 2 to 5 with very large established low code no code platform. Why you should choose Zoho Create? The first thing is you will get flexibility. if you are going with any no code tool, then there is no flexibility as such, in the sense you want to do some customization on your workflow. You have certain email notification, something you need to do, which you cannot do in no code platform, because you can do after a certain point of time. You cannot do. You can do the basic thing. Most of the no code platform to allow you to do the basic thing, but after a certain point of time you cannot do that. And the next thing is the cost benefit. Most of the no code low code platform is charging a hefty money. So Zoho Creator is really affordable. So you can really create a large set of application on top of Zoho Creator, yet you don't have to pay a hefty bill. That is another very major benefit. And the fourth one is you can directly deploy your application into Apple App Store and Play Store, because you can directly convert here in Zoho Creator. I know Google App Sheet also allow you to deploy it, but it only allow you to deploy the app into Play Store. It does not allow you to deploy it into Play Store. These are the all the necessary benefits. Okay, what is the next step? You can directly get your blueprint, whatever you are doing. You can list down all the things. You can write the workflow configuration. Workflow is basically what are the triggers, what is the thing you want to automate that you can do. Then religious snippet, I'll provide all the religious snippet here. So you can directly copy paste and you can write, you can create the same application in your Zoho Creator account. Then suppose you want to do business with us. Business in the sense, suppose you have a complex application which you cannot build, you can directly mail us. We can help you create the application for you. Then you can also book a demo. If you go to Spikra.com, there is a field for connecting with us. You can book a demo call. We can show you what are all we can do it for you, and what are the application we built. We can also showcase that what are the application we built for our client, so that we can impress you with the confidence. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for being patient in the webinar. I hope you like it, and I hope I am able to add a value to your current flow and current thought process. And yeah, that's it, from chaos to control in one app at a time. So you can really create your own app, and it's really easy, and it's really time saving thing. So that's it. I'm Bikram Shah signing off. And if you have any question, you can a question, or if you want to connect with us, you can drop a mail at Spikra, sales@spikra.com. And you can visit our website as well. So www.spikra.com. You can visit there. And we are a Zoho premium partner, so we have the experience, we have the expertise. So we are talking from our experience only. So that's it. Thank you so much for being patient, and thank you so much.